You put in the effort to make your RV look amazing, so you'd probably like to keep it that way by keeping the weather out of your RV to protect it from damages. I'm Brittany from RecPro, and I'm here to clue you in on a simple addition that's going to bring a big transformation you've been waiting for. These vinyl inserts are designed to be flexible, which makes it easier to install over the screws on the outside of your RV and will prolong the life of your camper. Made from durable, thick, UV-resistant vinyl, they're tough enough to give you long-lasting protection from the wear and tear of the outside. Available in 50 and 100 feet, you can easily cut them to the perfect size to fit your RV. Inserts are pre-formed for an easy to pop on, seal, and fit. To help secure the vinyl trim insert, you will want to have a trim end cap held down by a screw to ensure stability and keep it securely locked in place. You can choose between trim colors, black or white, whichever would blend with your RV best, adding a smooth and sleek element that ties it all together. So, for an affordable, quick solution to elevate your RV's overall look, hit the link below to learn more. And if you like this video and want to see what we've got coming up, give us a like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.